Alright guys, here we go. This was probably what bad wheel bearings sound like. Not just one, but two. What do you think? You live with that? I don't think so. Let's try to get it up to 30. There we go. That's 30. Coming to a stop. All right, let's do it.